Play Equipments is proud to have installed some of our best outdoor gym equipments at VVC Vega in Pune, creating a perfect open-air fitness zone for residents to stay active and healthy. Our outdoor gym setup encourages daily exercise routines that improve strength, flexibility, and overall well-being while allowing people to enjoy nature and fresh air. Regular use of these gym equipments helps in boosting stamina, enhancing heart health, improving muscle tone, and reducing stress levels. With Royal Play Equipments, you get durable, weather-resistant, and ergonomically designed fitness machines that ensure safety, comfort, and long-lasting performance for all age groups. Order from us today and transform your outdoor space into a healthy fitness zone with Royal Play Equipments.